Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is find the least common multiple of the following numbers, and we have given the numbers 144, 384, 152, 45. Firstly, let us see the prime factorization of the given number. Okay. So by prime factorization, 144, prime factorization of 144 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So it is 2 to the power 4 into 3 square. Then 384 is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, again 2 into 3. So it is 2 to the power 7 into 3. Then prime factorization of 152 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 19. That is 2 to the power 3 into 19. And then prime factorization of 45 is 3 into 3 into 5. It means 3 square into 5. So, least common multiple of 144, 384, 152 and 45 is, firstly, let us take the highest power of 2. It means we can observe here it is 7, so 2 to the power 7. Then highest power of 3 is 3 to the power 2. Again highest power of 5 is 1, so it is 5 as it is. And 19, highest power of 19 is 19 here. So the multiplication of all this is 1000, 9440, which is the LCM of the given number.